Hello बच्चों, in this video which is a part 2D, we are going to discuss integration by adjusting the numerator. In earlier part we had seen the introduction of this. How we are going to adjust the numerator बच्चों? Numerator will be equal to some constant lambda into denominator plus another constant mu into denominator का derivative. dr dash मतलब dr dash means derivative of denominator. We must also remember that these three fundamental principles or formulae or rules, f dash x upon fx log fx, fx raised to n into f dash x will be like this. F dash x upon root fx will be 2 root fx integration. समझ गए? And this rule numerator will be lambda into denominator plus mu into denominator dash. चलो ये एग्जाम्पल है, अच्छी तरह से देख लीजिए एग्जाम्पल. What it is given? Integration of sin x plus 2 cos x upon 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. Now we will see what is denominator dr. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. And what is dr dash? Means denominator का derivative 3 into cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x, minus 4 into sin x. Now we have to make numerator equal to lambda times denominator plus mu times denominator dash. So numerator कितना है बच्चों? sin x plus 2 cos x is equal to lambda into denominator कितना है? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus mu into dr dash 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Now sin x plus 2 cos x will be sin x plus, what is the coefficient of sin x? 3 lambda minus 4 mu आएगा. 3 lambda minus 4 mu. And what is the coefficient of cos x? 4 lambda plus 3 mu. Now we equate the coefficient of sin x here. This is 1 and a coefficient of cos x 2. We will equate with this. So 3 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to 1 and 4 lambda plus 3 mu is equal to 2. समझ गए बच्चों? 3 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to 1. 4 lambda plus 3 mu is equal to 2. Now this I will multiply by 4 and this I will multiply by 3. तो क्या हो जाएगा? This I will multiply, simultaneous equation, this I will multiply by 4, this I will multiply by 3. So it will be 12 mu minus 12 lambda minus 16 mu is equal to 4 and 12 lambda plus 9 mu is equal to 6. Now if I minus this, minus, So this gets cancelled. Minus 25 mu is equal to 4 minus 6 minus 2. So mu I get as 2 upon 25. When you solve the problem in examination, please cross check after every small step. समझ गए? Now this mu I will put in one of the equation. 3 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to 1. बराबर है? So I will put it there. 3 lambda minus 4 mu is equal to 1. And what I have got here? Mu is equal to 2 upon 25. So 3 into lambda minus 4 into how much it is? 2 upon 25 is equal to 1. So 3 lambda will be equal to 1 plus 8 upon 25. बराबर है? So that is equal to 25 plus 8, 33 upon 25. So lambda I get as 11 upon 25. Now I get numerator. Numerator will be what? Lambda 11 upon 25 into denominator 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus mu. Mu कितना है हमारा? 2 upon 25. 2 upon 25 into this. 2 upon 25 into, that was the derivative of denominator, 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. 3 cos x minus 4 sin x. Now my integration I becomes integral 11 upon 25 into 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 2 upon 25 into 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by denominator. What is denominator? As it is 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. वीडियो पॉज करके ये स्टेप सब अच्छी तरह से देख लो. Now I will be equal to integral first divided by numerator, second divided by first divided by denominator, second divided by denominator. अलग करता हूं मैं. 11 upon 25 into bracket 3 sin x plus 4 cos x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx plus integral 2 upon 25 3 cos x minus 4 sin x divided by 3 sin x plus 4 cos x dx. अभी देखो कितना सिंपल हो गया. Is equal to this bracket gets cancelled. 11 upon 25 comes out. So 11 upon 25 integral 1 dx plus 2 upon 25 I can take out. 2 upon 25 integral 3 cos x माइनस 4 sin x अपॉन, ये ब्रैकेट डालो मांगता है तो, अपॉन 3 sin x प्लस 4 cos x dx। अभी बच्चों 1 का इंटीग्रल हमें मालूम है, 1 is like x raised to 0, so x raised to 0 plus 1 upon 0 plus 1, that will be x, and here numerator is derivative of denominator, बराबर है, यही तो हमने एडजस्ट किया था। सो इट विल बी 2 upon 25 तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन रहेगा ही, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय लॉग ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर। देख लीजिए, ये फॉर्मूला हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, नंबर 1 फॉर्मूला यूज कर रहे हैं, समझ गए। चलो तो आगे आएगा, I will be equal to 11 upon 25 into x plus 2 upon 25 log of denominator. What is denominator? Denominator क्या है बच्चों? 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus constant of integration. Now here in log we write modular value because we cannot take log of any negative number, so this is taken as a modular value. समझ गए बच्चों। और यहां हमने कौन सा रूल यूज किया है? इंटीग्रल f dash x upon fx dx is equal to log of fx plus c। समझ गए बच्चों। नाउ दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप। अच्छी तरह से ये वीडियो फिर से देखो एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस एग्जाम्पल योरसेल्फ without looking at the video or noting. समझ गए? Now in next video I am going to explain you similar principle when we have a function involving e raised to x or e raised to 2x वगैरह वगैरह। समझ गए? छोटे से एक एक एग्जाम्पल के वीडियो है, देख लीजिए एंड अंडरस्टैंड एंड नोट डाउन ऑल दिस टाइप। 1a में क्या था, 1b में क्या था, 2a में क्या था, 2d में क्या था, नोट डाउन so that becomes your summary. Thank you.